It's Reggie, and today we're gonna go pick up some machines, Nick and I. Nigel's busy, so we're taking over, and yeah, we're gonna add more machines to the list of machines that we already have. He's gonna be surprised when he sees it.
Yeah,
I feel like we're gonna be surprised too.
We're boosting security or something here?
Dude, don't say anything.
Okay,
no secrets.
My bad.
Oh! These damn machines! More machines! More machines! More machines! You gotta be careful. Okay. There you go. More machines!
It's pretty beat up though. It's pretty beat up. But it's fine.
Oh.
So the strap came loose just here, just now. We hit huge potholes.
And that one's broken too, right?
No, that came like that.
That came like
That was like that.
Okay.
So I think these plastics are just...
No, it's because it's really cold.
It's cold and it's old.
It's cold and old. It's old and cold.
Yeah.
What after this button? That's the one that's like that. Yeah.
Huh.
It was like that already.
That's
The
weird.
guy said that the key was...
button.
Yeah, but that's not the key. That's just straight up. What is this?
It was like that.
These
Oh,
guys...
they tried to hotwire it, probably.
Maybe.
These are the conveyor belts.
Okay.
Go on the next side.
Push it. Just watch the.
Yeah, we're okay. Push it.
Ready? Yeah.
Nice.
Machines.
We need this box to shoot X-rays at random things we put in the box.
Look. I don't know what this means.
Whoa.
Check what it looks like in there. Oh, it's just a dark box. Look at that. It's just a box. That's it. You can't see anything.
Do not insert any part of the body beyond the drapes while X-rays are being generated.
I think that's.
It'd be a sick video to go through this. You're like, oh,
In
just come out.
50 years, Reggie has cancer everywhere.
No, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So we have a functional key, which apparently turns the machine on. The problem with this one is it said that the key broke off in the machine. That's how they described that problem. They said the key broke off. Yeah.
Okay.
But then where is the front of the...
It's gone.
Look, wait. Did you see this? Letter and package bomb indicators. If there's no address label, it stinks, has wires coming out, and oily stains.
But
Ooh.
what, you need the X-ray machine to see that?
and the weight is lobsided. So these were bomb detection machines. Theoretically, I think if we plug this in, it's ready to rip. Except, why is this? The emergency stop button is a little bit less than functional there.
So they have pressure sensor, right?
Yeah, some sort of pressure sensors for safety or something. I don't know.
so many-
We can probably like hotwire it
for sure.
to
Definitely.
Something else?
remove all safety measures.
Yeah. We don't need that. Take out the stops too.
Yeah, we have to remove all the emergency stops.
Yeah.
I bet you if we plugged it in though and just did
Let's
this,
do it. Let's plug it in.
just see if it works.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I mean, what is it gonna start shooting out?
X-rays?
Yeah.
Yes.
But we're
Maybe.
here.
It could
Yeah,
be.
we have to all stand behind the big shield.
Everyone,
area.
one behind each other.
I hear it.
Oh. Okay.
I hear something.
Yeah. Boom. It turned on. Look at that. The screens are turning on.
This is
Wait,
turning on.
Press the button. Press the button. Is it done? Press the button. Oh, we have a light.
Dude, it works.
It works. Okay, we're good.
But it says no signal. You can choose our language. Choose English. Uh-oh. There's a password.
No way.
What's the
let's hack
password?
it. Let's hack it. 0, 0, 0, 0. Uh-oh.
Forgot password.
1, 2, 3, 4. We'll try one
Tried.
more.
That's worked before. I tried it.
That sounds scary. Incorrect password. Are these guys... Is this a joke? What's the password,
How are we
man?
supposed to use these machines, man?
Maybe it's on the paper.
What paper?
No one told us we needed
Try
a
this.
password.
XR.
No, that's what it is. We'll have to email them, I think.
Yeah, that's fine.
No password here.
My favorite is the sounds it makes. Just listen. Just the occasional beep.
Okay, so we're done?
Yeah. You guys did good.
We tried.
Received it
Good.
all in pieces.
No, it
In
wasn't.
some pieces.
Dude, in some
In some
pieces,
pieces.
dude. That's
They go,
dead.
everything's good.
Oh, wait,
It arrived in one piece.
We'll
Yeah.
only truly know once we actually see an X-ray.
Yeah. What pisses me
Quickly.
off is that we're being held back by a password.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get the password.
Sounds good. See if it runs.
I think we're good.